Hi, I'm John from Betterbee, and I'm here visiting the Lysen company in Poland. Lysen produces honey extractors and tanks and hives and many other products. Let's go check it out. Here at Lysen, the best quality equipment is produced for hobby, sideline, and professional beekeepers. Their modern machinery and technology puts them at the leading edge of the beekeeping industry. Everything happens here in Poland, starting with the cutting of the steel all the way through to the final product. Besides honey extractors, you can find here honey creamers, pumps, filling machines and turntables, settling tanks, pollen cleaners, and even the full honey extracting line. Believe me, there is more. Thanks to the top quality steel used in production, you can be sure of the durability and lifespan of Lysen's equipment. Lysen also produces equipment for the hospital and restaurant industries. The company knows that each market is different, and that requires an individualized approach to equipment, whether it's customizing which frame the machine is made for or adding or removing other features depending on what's needed for the market. Lysen produces some of the best quality polystyrene hives on the market. They're known for their excellent durability and great insulation for cold and hot weather. They're even available fully painted or even with printed designs on the hives. Testing of equipment and quality control are very important final stages of production. Thanks to the professional staff, they guarantee the functionality of the products, as many have already discovered. As you can see, everything is made here in Poland, right in the heart of Europe.